Welcome to the Culinary Recipe Creations channel. Subscribe right now before you watch this video tutorial that I'm sure you will find educational and informative. So for many years, the world of vegan cuisine was often associated with one thing, the veggie burger. This humble patty made from a variety of vegetables, grains and legumes was the go-to option for those seeking a meat-free meal. It was a symbol of the early days of veganism, a time when options were limited and creativity in plant-based cooking was just beginning to take root. While a classic veggie burger can be satisfying, a culinary revolution has been brewing. Chefs around the world have been experimenting with new ingredients and techniques, pushing the boundaries of what vegan cuisine can be. This movement has transformed vegan food from a niche market into a mainstream phenomenon celebrated for its innovation and flavor. Vegan cuisine has exploded in popularity and creativity. Farmers' markets and grocery stores are now brimming with a diverse array of plant-based ingredients, from exotic fruits and vegetables to innovative meat substitutes. This abundance has inspired chefs and home cooks alike to explore new culinary horizons, creating dishes that are as visually stunning as they are delicious. Gone are the days of limited options and bland flavors. Today, vegan cuisine is a vibrant tapestry of tastes and textures, offering something for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just curious about plant-based eating, there's never been a better time to explore this exciting culinary world. Today, vegan cuisine is all about innovation, flavor, and pushing culinary boundaries. Chefs are using cutting-edge techniques to create dishes that rival the best of traditional cuisine. From molecular gastronomy to fermentation, the tools of the modern kitchen are being used to elevate plant-based ingredients to new heights. Chefs and home cooks alike are exploring the vast world of plant-based ingredients. They're discovering the unique properties of different vegetables, grains, and legumes, and using them to create dishes that are both nutritious and delicious. This exploration is leading to a deeper appreciation for the bounty of nature and the endless possibilities it offers. They are creating dishes that are both delicious and visually stunning. The artistry of vegan cuisine is on full display in the presentation of these meals, which are often as beautiful to look at as they are to eat. This focus on aesthetics is helping to change perceptions of vegan food, showing that it can be just as indulgent and satisfying as any other type of cuisine. This is a new era of vegan cuisine, one that embraces bold flavors, innovative techniques, and a deep appreciation for the bounty of nature. It's a time of experimentation and discovery, where the only limit is the imagination of the chef. Whether it's a high-end restaurant or a home kitchen, the world of vegan cooking is full of exciting possibilities. This culinary movement is about more than just substituting meat. It's about redefining what food can be, using plant-based ingredients to create new and exciting flavors. From jackfruit tacos to seitan steaks, the possibilities are endless. This is a cuisine that celebrates the diversity of the plant kingdom and the creativity of the human spirit. It's about embracing the unique flavors, textures, and possibilities that plant-based ingredients offer. Each ingredient brings its own character to a dish, from the earthy richness of mushrooms to the creamy smoothness of avocados. By understanding and celebrating these unique qualities, chefs are able to create dishes that are truly one of a kind, from delicate mushroom carpaccios to rich and creamy cashew cheeses. The world of vegan cuisine is bursting with creativity. These dishes showcase the incredible range of flavors and textures that can be achieved with plant-based ingredients. They are a testament to the skill and imagination of the chefs who create them. This is food that excites the palate, nourishes the body, and celebrates the artistry of cooking. It's a cuisine that is as much about pleasure as it is about health, offering a delicious and satisfying way to eat that is also good for the planet. Whether you're enjoying a simple salad or a gourmet feast, vegan food has something to offer everyone. Join us as we delve into the exciting world of vegan cuisine where flavor knows no bounds. Discover the incredible dishes that are being created by chefs around the world and learn how you can bring the magic of vegan cooking into your own kitchen. This is a journey of taste, creativity, and discovery, and we can't wait to share it with you. Plant-based fine dining is at the forefront of this culinary revolution. This movement is not just about substituting meat with vegetables, it's about reimagining the entire dining experience. From the ingredients to the techniques, everything is being reinvented to create a new standard of excellence in the culinary world. Chefs are transforming the way we think about vegan food. They are pushing the boundaries of what plant-based cuisine can be, using their creativity and expertise to craft dishes that are both innovative and delicious. They are using innovative techniques to create dishes that are as elegant and flavorful as their traditional counterparts. Techniques like molecular gastronomy, fermentation and sous vide are being employed to bring out the best in plant-based ingredients. Imagine a delicate beet tartare, carefully crafted to resemble its beef counterpart. The texture, the flavor, and the presentation are all meticulously designed to provide a gourmet experience that is both familiar and novel. Or a creamy cauliflower risotto, bursting with umami flavor. This dish showcases the depth and complexity that can be achieved with plant-based ingredients, proving that vegan cuisine can be just as satisfying as traditional dishes. These dishes are not just vegan versions of familiar favorites, they are unique creations that highlight the versatility and deliciousness of plant-based ingredients. Each dish is a testament to the chef's skill and creativity. They are unique creations that highlight the versatility and deliciousness of plant-based ingredients. From vibrant salads to hearty mains, the variety and creativity on display are truly impressive. One of the key elements of this movement is the use of fresh, seasonal produce. By sourcing ingredients at their peak, chefs are able to create dishes that are not only delicious, but also sustainable and environmentally friendly. Chefs are sourcing the highest quality fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices. This commitment to quality ensures that every dish is bursting with flavor and nutrition. This commitment to fresh ingredients shines through in every bite. Diners can taste the difference that fresh, high-quality produce makes, elevating the entire dining experience. Another hallmark of plant-based fine dining is the artful presentation of the dishes. Chefs are not only focused on flavor, but also on creating visually stunning plates that delight the senses. Chefs are using vibrant colors, creative plating techniques, and edible garnishes to create dishes that are as visually appealing as they are delicious. The use of edible flowers, microgreens, and artistic drizzles of sauces adds an extra layer of sophistication to each plate. The dining experience is elevated to an art form where every detail is carefully considered. From the ambiance of the restaurant to the presentation of the food, every element is designed to create a memorable and luxurious experience for the diner. The world of plant-based proteins extends far beyond tofu and tempeh. Lentils, for example, are a nutritional powerhouse. They are packed with protein, fiber, and essential minerals. Chefs are using lentils to create hearty stews, flavorful salads, and even meatless loaves. Chickpeas, another versatile legume, are taking center stage in dishes like creamy hummus, crispy falafel, and flavorful curries. Their nutty flavor and satisfying texture make them a favorite in vegan cuisine. Tempeh, made from fermented soybeans, offers a firm texture and a slightly nutty flavor. It can be grilled, baked, or crumbled, making it a versatile addition to stir-fries, sandwiches, and salads. Seitan, made from wheat gluten, has a meaty texture that makes it an excellent substitute for chicken or beef. It can be pan-fried, grilled, or used in stews and stir-fries. Each of these plant-based proteins offers a unique flavor profile and culinary versatility, allowing chefs to create a wide range of dishes that are both delicious and satisfying. Elevating vegan cuisine texture, presentation, and the dining experience. Chefs are proving that vegan cuisine can be just as sophisticated and satisfying as traditional cuisine. They are pushing the boundaries of what plant-based food can be, transforming simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. They are paying close attention to texture, ensuring that each dish offers a delightful contrast of creamy, crunchy, and chewy elements. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that every bite is an adventure for the palate. Imagine a crispy tofu steak seared to perfection and served with a silky smooth cauliflower puree. The combination of textures creates a harmonious balance that is both satisfying and intriguing. Or a hearty lentil stew simmered with root vegetables and served with a crusty piece of bread. The rich, earthy flavors meld together, offering a comforting and nourishing experience. These dishes are not just about flavor, but about creating a complete sensory experience. The interplay of textures, flavors, and aromas engages all the senses, making each meal a memorable event. Presentation is another key element of this culinary movement. The visual appeal of a dish can elevate the dining experience, making it not just a meal but a work of art. Chefs are taking inspiration from fine dining traditions, using elegant plating techniques to elevate the visual appeal of their dishes. Each plate is meticulously arranged, with every element thoughtfully placed to create a visually stunning presentation. Delicate microgreens, edible flowers and colorful sauces add pops of color and freshness to the plate. These vibrant touches not only enhance the visual appeal but also add layers of flavor and texture. The dining experience is about more than just the food itself. It's about the atmosphere, the company, and the overall ambience that makes a meal truly special. It's about creating an ambience that is both inviting and memorable. The setting plays a crucial role in enhancing the overall dining experience, making it more enjoyable and immersive. From the soft lighting to the carefully curated music, every detail is designed to enhance the enjoyment of the meal. The ambience sets the stage for the culinary journey, making each dining experience unique and unforgettable. The future of food veganism's influence on mainstream trends. Veganism is no longer a niche movement. It's a growing trend that's influencing mainstream food culture in significant ways. More and more people are incorporating plant-based meals into their diets, whether for health reasons, environmental concerns, or animal welfare. This shift in consumer demand is driving innovation in the food industry. Restaurants are expanding their vegan offerings, supermarkets are stocking their shelves with plant-based alternatives, and food companies are investing heavily in plant-based product development. This trend is not just about veganism itself, but about a broader shift towards more mindful and sustainable eating habits. People are becoming more aware of the impact their food choices have on their health, the environment, and the lives of animals. This awareness is leading to a demand for food that is not only delicious, but also ethically produced and environmentally responsible. Vegan cuisine is well positioned to meet this demand, offering a delicious and sustainable alternative to traditional animal-based diets.